Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are going to talk about the Sony Xperia VII Pro 5G smartphone that focuses on premium design, powerful performance and a clean Android experience. If you are someone who prefers slim, compact and stylish smartphones, then this device can be a perfect option for you. Sony has always followed a unique design philosophy, and the Xperia VII Pro 5G continues that legacy with an ultra-slim, lightweight and comfortable body that feels great in hand even during long usage. The flat frame and minimal look give it a very professional premium feel, making it ideal for users who don't like bulky phones. Moving to the display, the Sony Xperia VII Pro 5G comes with a cinema-style OLED display that delivers sharp visuals, deep blacks and accurate colors. Sony's display tuning is excellent whether you are watching movies, scrolling social media or enjoying YouTube content. The viewing experience feels smooth and immersive, especially for users who love natural color reproduction. Now let's talk about performance. The Xperia VII Pro 5G is powered by a 5G-capable processor that handles daily tasks smoothly. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels responsive and overall performance remains stable even after long use. One of Sony's biggest strengths is its near-stock Android experience, which means no unnecessary bloatware, no ads and smooth, clean software. This makes the phone feel fast, reliable and future-proof. Camera lovers will definitely appreciate this device because Sony brings its alpha camera-inspired tuning into the Xperia VII Pro 5G. The camera captures sharp, detailed and natural-looking photos, especially in daylight. Colors look realistic instead of over-processed, which is perfect for photography enthusiasts. Video recording is stable and well-optimized, making this phone a great choice for content creators, vloggers and mobile video shooters. Low-light photography is also improved thanks to better image processing and software optimization. Now coming to battery life, despite its slim design, the Xperia VII Pro 5G offers a long-lasting battery that can easily survive a full day of normal usage. Sony's battery optimization combined with clean Android ensures efficient power consumption, and fast charging support allows you to quickly top up the battery when needed. In terms of connectivity, the phone supports 5G for fast internet speeds along with excellent call quality and strong network stability. Sony is also known for high-quality audio, so music lovers will enjoy clear sound whether using headphones or speakers. Security updates and software reliability further add value, making this phone a solid long-term investment. Overall, the Sony Xperia VII Pro 5G is a perfect smartphone for users who want a compact premium device with strong cameras, clean software and reliable performance. It may not focus on flashy specs, but it delivers a balanced, refined and professional smartphone experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.